I'm Julia Chapman and I'm the Finance and Operations Director here at Northampton Saints. And as part of my remit, I look after IT. So I've got no background in IT really. So when I came into the business, all I really knew was that the IT had been quite underinvested and that there were a few problems, but I didn't really know what we needed to do about it. So I really needed a partner who could talk to us about what we needed to do as a business and how we sort our IT out. And Mirus came on board and very quickly went about helping us develop our strategy. So they did not only a technical review of what we had in place, but most importantly, they really got to know our people and how we consumed our systems and what issues we were having with them. The first thing that Mirus identified was that we had a burning priority to improve our data backup. After that, they proposed a 5-stage strategic programme which covered all aspects of our IT infrastructure, from our network through to our wireless coverage and our end-user PCs. One of the key parts of our programme was moving to Office 365 and moving everything to the cloud. What I really valued about Mirus's approach was the way that they were able to articulate this to me in terms that I could understand. So they didn't use jargon, they talked about what it actually meant for us as a business. They were also aware that we didn't have a huge budget to spend, so we were always presented with options, not just the Rolls-Royce solution, but some pragmatic lower cost options. Despite the scale of the changes, they were really managed with minimal disruption to the business and behind the scenes. And what I really value, obviously, as a finance director, is that they came in within budget. We've had brilliant continuity with Mirus, from our VCIO, who's our Virtual Chief Information Officer, to our client manager, but also all the staff on the service desk now know us. You never feel that you're just speaking to an anonymous team who are targeted on response times. You're speaking to somebody who actually knows you and understands your business. The other thing Mirus do is they really encourage us to provide feedback. We obviously didn't foresee the COVID pandemic when we undertook our IT upgrade, but what a test of our new systems that has been. When the COVID pandemic hit, and we had to ask all our staff to go home to work.
In the past, without technologies such as Microsoft Teams and Office 365, we haven't had the flexibility that we have now to work through this unprecedented period, to keep in touch even when we're miles apart, and to work collaboratively within the cloud so easily and seamlessly. Thanks to the foundations laid by Mirus, moving to this new way of working was simple and seamless. We players have used Teams to communicate the host team meetings whilst working from home. Thanks to Mirus for the support through these times.
So from day one, we were able to use Teams to keep in touch with people and to conduct our meetings, and we were able to access all of our documents and folders via SharePoint. Even the finance team were able to use Sage from home. The other key piece was that work that we'd done around data security meant that our data could be accessed from anywhere and from any device without us having to worry about the security. Looking forwards, there are so many new developments in the world of stadium technology that having Mirus as a partner to help us understand, navigate and apply those to our business and ultimately make a decision as where best to invest. It's just like having a really informed, knowledgeable person by your side.